In a significant breakthrough, a joint team comprising of District Police, Imphal West, Bishnupur, 33 Assam Rifles and other security forces apprehended the prime accused in the 19th September ambush on Assam Rifles in Nambol. A press note issued by Office of Director General of Police, Manipur Police Headquarters, informed that the prime accused was apprehended during a joint operation that was conducted at Kameng area in Imphal West District today. The arrested person is Komdram Ojit, alias Kailal, age 47 years, son of late K.H. Mani of Awang Lekin Thabi Awang Laikai in Imphal West District. The apprehended person reportedly admitted to be a bailed-out member of proscribed PLA. The press note from the police also informed that the man was directly involved in the ambush which took place at Nambol Laikai on September 19, which killed 2 personnel of Assam Rifles and injured 5 others. It was further revealed that Komdram Ojit, along with other persons, fled towards Loktak Lake site and hid their arms and ammunition at a secret location. Upon his revelation, the security team also recovered 1 A4 rifle along with 4 magazines, 1 HK rifle along with 2 magazines, 2 AK rifles along with 5 magazines, 1 incised rifle along with 3 magazines, 3 lethal shells, 170 rounds of AK ammunition, 216 rounds of M16 ammunition, 67 rounds of incised ammunition, 1 mobile handset, 1 wallet and 1 Aadhaar card. The press note also informed that examination of the arrested person is continuing and certain leads have been established and raids are being carried out to apprehend other culprits who were involved in the ambush.